What's going on, guys? My name is Frank from Crypto Moves, and in this video I want to talk to you about different ways that you can make money in the metaverse. Here is everything that you need to know. Okay, so real quick, to get us on the same page, here is what the metaverse is. So the metaverse is an online world and a virtual space that you can go to and experience. You can go to it either through a screen like your computer, or you could go and put your virtual reality headset and then go into your reality virtual world. Now you can do a bunch of different things in the metaverse. So you can go to a concert, you can have a meeting, you can play games with your friends, you can do almost infinite number of things, and it's like literally a virtual space where you can go and create anything. But now, how can create money in the metaverse? Well, that's what we are going to talk about in this video. That's what I want to share with you. So the number one strategy and the most obvious thing is to make money in the metaverse will be to buy virtual space. It's basically like buy a virtual land. That will be the first thing. But you can do this by buying land or buying property in the metaverse now. But when you buy the property, it actually comes in the form of an NFT, or it will come on the largest biggest buy metaverse that there might be, so they will give you have your own currency for it. But this is not the only way that you can make money with it. So let me take you to the computer and show you more ways where we can make money on the metaverse. So in today's strategy, I want to show you 3 different ways that you can make on the metaverse. So but you can see here the coin market cap, the different positions on the top gaming tokens by market capitalizations. So there are different ways that you could invest into this. You could either buy single like stocks, we'll say, of different gaming games, within the crypto or the blockchain industry. So for example, at the moment, the Decentraland, which is called Nano, is the biggest one, and as I will show you in a minute, it was very low, and now it has got over $2 with the announcement of Facebook entering the metaverse. So if you go to the Decentraland, you will be able to buy different real estate within the metaverse. So that means that you will be able to own it. So you can come to the website and you can check it out and see more for yourself. But you can see that you will be able to have a virtual destination for your digital assets. You will be able to buy and sell land, and you will be able to create avatar, wearables, and other things. So it's worth for you to come check it out. You can as well see the white paper. You can join the Discord group, and you can see more about the plans and about the ideas that they're planning on implementing. So but this is not the only coin that you could buy, or the only token. You could buy different ones. So I'll advise you to come and check it out, do your own research, have a look at the different white papers for the different tokens, and see which projects might be good. Axie Infinity is a good project. The Sandbox is actually a good project as well. So additionally, apart from this, there are other ways that you could make money with this. You could come to a website which is called Metaverse.properties, and here you can see it's the world's first virtual real estate company. So you will be able to buy different pieces of land within this website, where you could actually make money from it in the future. You can see that it's supported by big tokens in the industry, and you can see more information about it. And as well, this is what is called what is called a REIT, which means like you could buy real estate and then you could get a profit from it in the future. So you can have a look at the different services that they have, more about history, and you can rent the land or you could buy the land. So this is actually a great opportunity if you're planning to invest on the metaverse. Another way that you could do it is actually you could buy an index of all the different metaverses or the different tokens, where you could buy a piece of each small. So you could go, for example, to Metaverse Index, which now is trading at $187, and when you buy this, that means that you actually buying pieces of the other tokens. So Metaverse Index, it will include most of the different gaming tokens, and that means that when you buy some of it, that you will get a
portion out of it, so you can have a look at what's the list of the different tokens, but you can see Axie Infinity, Sandbox, Decentralized Mana are some of them that are actually included with this Metaverse index. So it has never been a great opportunity for the gaming tokens, and this is actually on the rise, so definitely it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger with time. So I'll advise you to come and check it out, and then if you find it worthwhile, then you can start investing. You could either buy the single tokens, which will be on the form of NFT or a piece of land, or you could buy into the Metaverse index, which will be a combination of few of them. But not even that, you could come to websites like Fiverr, and then you could become a seller, and if you have any type of designing skills, you could start creating and building this type of Metaverse. For example, this person charging $200 and has got already 4 reviews for this project, so that means that this person has already made more than $1,000. So if you have any type of design skills, you could learn this. Otherwise, you could go to other websites like Udemy or Skillshare in order to learn more about Metaverse, more about design, and so on. So it's a great opportunity if you have any type of designing skills, or if you're planning on learning some type of NFT skills design, that you could actually come over here and start marketing yourself. So these are the few different ways that you can start getting money from the Metaverse. You can invest on single tokens. You could either buy real estate property, or a safer bet would be to invest on the Metaverse index, because here is a combination of the best gaming tokens on the market. And additionally, you could go to websites like Fiverr or Upwork in order to create these services for all people, or you could just act as the middleman. You could just put the service up there, and then you could just try to get people to do this for you. Okay, so with that said, it's a great opportunity to invest in the crypto market. And additionally, guys, if you want to find out more ways on how you can make money with cryptocurrency, click on the first link in the description, because there is a training there that I'll advise you to take on, because it will explain you all the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and many more things that you should know, and you could start implementing right away and reap the benefits that other people are getting. So with that said, guys, I hope that you take massive action. I hope that you're very successful, and hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I will come very, very soon with more content on the latest news on the cryptocurrency world, so you can benefit from it. So take care.